Respected teachers and fellow students, wishing you all a joyful Independence Day. On this special occasion, we commemorate the day when India gained freedom from colonial rule and began its journey towards progress and prosperity. Let's take a moment to honor the courage and determination of our freedom fighters who selflessly fought for our nation's independence. As students, let's remember the importance of education and knowledge in shaping a brighter future for ourselves and our country. Today, let's renew our commitment to uphold the values of unity, diversity, and peace that define India. Happy Independence Day to you all. Jai Hind.